Hi everyone! So in this video po, I am going to show you paano yung sa ating MOT application na tinatawag nating toggle search, kung saan ito yung process na nagsisearch tayo ng item based on name or barcode. So, how does it work? So, first step po is you have to tap a specific table or slot and then tap lang natin yung intindahan order. The moment na natap po natin yan, we're going to tap items po. And then here, you will see the three-line icon na nasa pinakataas. And then you just have to tap that one po. Pagkatapos, tap nyo lang yung toggle search. Here, you may able to search the name of the item. So it's in my end, I'm just typing, let's say, cheese. Ayan. So here, nag-type lang ako ng cheese, automatically po lumabas si cheese bread and then si cheesecake. And if you have your clipback scanner po, you can just tap the barcode po or may barcode man yung item natin. We also have a barcode scanner here using the camera to scan the barcode of our product. So that is the purpose of the toggle search process here in our MOT application.